Hi, Jim Mathers, President of Energy Professionals. This is your Energy News Today. Welcome to 2020. This is the beginning of the decade of miracles for energy. There are so many great things happening. For example, HVAC refurbishment. Do you realize that there is almost $1 trillion worth of HVAC for commercial buildings in the US alone that are going out of service? Because they all got air conditioning 30 years ago, and I don't know if you're aware of this, your air conditioning's breaking down, if your employees are complaining, if there's any problem with your air quality at all, including the fact that you're probably spending 20 to 30% more on electricity to run old air conditioners, give us a call. We can help handle that. But I have even more exciting news. There's a company that's building solar roads. Now what they can do is, you can build a road now out of solar panels that actually will carry semi-truck traffic. So now you have a road that produces energy, it heats up so the ice and snow melts off, so if you live in Siberia or Kazakhstan or Michigan, which where I grew up, Michigan's colder than Siberia. If you live there, you can actually have traffic running all the time because it literally melts the snow and ice off as you go. Meantime, all of the lights, all of the signs, everything is powered by the sun. So welcome to 2020. If you have questions about your energy strategy, or if you think you're wasting too much money, give us a call.